Bitcoin double strike. You wanna know the last information about the crypto world, the SEC versus Binance versus Coinbase, price predictions, and much more? Yes, then smash that like button, cause it's time for Crypto News Fun on the Ride. Crypto a tope. It's been a bad week for the crypto sphere because we have a enemy who is striking now, double strike this week, first to Binance and now to Coinbase. The SEC is looking for blood, wants blood. Gary Gensler is suing Coinbase with the SEC 1 day after Binance. And also, more bad news for Binance. The SEC is requesting restraining order to temporarily freeze Binance US assets. Allegedly, funds are safe, but who knows? Everybody concerned because maybe people is going to sell all the crypto or at least move it from Binance and from Coinbase. We'll see about that. The thing is that for these two companies, well, it was a bad thing for their charts, of course. And here I think about manipulation. So if these guys, their families, their friends know they are going to release this bad information, they can short the market and make some money. Is this what you're going to do? Is this what you're doing? Gary Gensler and friends. Well, you can see here the 4-hour chart for coin and how it dropped for good, even with a gap. And you can see here the whole thing, the whole picture for Coinbase. So it was started to go up, and now because of this, almost losing previous lows. So we'll see about that today. And for Binance, this is the last time history since 2021, January, and you can see quite flat, and now again going to lower points because of these informations. So they have now to fight back, and they are going to go on trial, will get the job done. That's the CEO from Coinbase is saying. They are not going to just be there and accept the situation. They will fight back, in his opinion, and he said this all over the social media. The SEC is not doing things okay. They tried to comply so many times and they weren't able of doing so. They also released this short video with some numbers. For example, number of times they mentioned staking in their public S1 report, 57 times. So now they go after staking. If they approve this, well, different opinions that a judge must decide which of those opinions are certain. Times that met with SEC in 2022 asking for guidance, 30 times, and they didn't, but they sued them afterwards. Also, the percentage of assets that Coinbase rejected because they don't pass legal standards, 90. So they are trying to choose between good and bad projects, allegedly complying with the idea of what's a security and what it's not. The year, the test, remember Howard test, it was written on 1946. So here they are criticizing that they are trying to regulate something from 2023 with a law from 1946, which is quite crazy too. Also, the jobs at risk if they continue with this crazy regulation craze. And also rules in countries. How many countries have comprehensive rules? 33. And how many rules do United States have? 0. So again, they are saying that they need to update the system. Hopefully they will do that. Anyways, it's going to be so interesting. Hopefully the SEC loses one of these trials and then we will be good. Coinbase also, maybe they have to stop all over in 10 states in the United States. They have some time so that this that come to fruition. One thing is the trial, and the other thing is this warning to stop their activities in these states. We'll see about that. This is the same for Binance. They are asked to stop operating in US. maybe just will say contrary. And here you can see this funny meme. It's gonna be awkward next time US government transfer to Coinbase some of the 41,500 Bitcoin they have planning on selling this year from those users. Well, if they use Coinbase, it's going to be ironic, and ironic is sad. We cry because of this. The man who once taught a course in MIT called Blockchain and Money, now saying we already have digital currency. It's called the US dollar. This is so Donald Trumpy. What's going on behind the curtain? And he said in that course that a third of let's listen better.
3/4 of the market.
Yeah, 3/4. That 3/4 of the market were not a security.
Is non-secure. How we test.
3 of the 3/4 of the market are not securities. That's what he said, and now he's saying otherwise. And again, we don't need more digital currency because we have that dollar. Crazy stuff. Let's listen to him.
Look, we don't need.
Gary Gensler has
1 second. Volume trouble.
Went on CNBC and he said something very strange in the interview.
Look, we don't need more digital currency. We already have digital currency. It's called the US dollar. It's called the euro. It's called the yen. They're all digital right now.
Crazy stuff coming from Gary Gensler. Now he forgot all about blockchain, all about cipher, cryptography, etc. And now a lot of tweets out there just telling you all the failures for the SEC. Like, for example, with Terra Luna, with FTX, with Voyager, with BlockFi, etc., etc. All those fiascos they didn't prevent, and now just bullying, in my opinion, some companies out there. Anyways, as I'm telling you, Binance US, they say the funds are safe, so we'll see about that. And some whales buying the dip. So yeah, maybe they are trying to scare us, but some are seeing this an opportunity. Like here you can read SEC suing crypto exchanges, and this is the phase that you have at the beginning. But how will the market react? Here you have it. Bitcoin price doesn't care. So funny stuff. Also funny for me, they call him not anymore Gary Gensler, but whatever Gary. And the Bitcoin chart there in the 1 hour, you can see we have a W, the whatever Gabi, okay boomer, something like that. So we recover soon enough, and maybe that's a good thing. Bitcoin again, volatility crazy. We can go down $1,700, and the next day we might have an good flim candle and have all the money back. And today going low again from the 27,000 line. So you know, with crypto, you never know. What about the moving average here in the weekly chart? We keep on having support there or not? What do you think about that? Watch last video. We talk a lot about it. And why maybe the market recovered like crazy? Well, because we are not surprised anymore. And we knew this might happen sometime. So we have it here, and we have had worse in the past. So maybe they will pay a fine in the future and everything will be okay, like Kraken did. Who knows? Anyways, yeah, those whales buying this dip, and the market is not in fear anymore. We are neutral again. What do you want? The fiat currencies? Well, Lyra is going 5% down into an all-time low. So you prefer fiat? I don't think so. The bubbles in the green, the most important ones in the green too. And we see there, Pepe, even Terra, what's going on there with that project? Allegedly coming back to life. Lido is a very good project today too. And we have Cardano as the worst one today in the most important ones. And we can see there Polygon and Decentraland, etc., etc. In the stock market, we see dollar going down, gold going up, and bad news for American and Asian markets in terms of stocks. We told you about all this in last video. Watch them all, and also We told you about dollar behavior. You can see there we are being flat both sides here right now. And Ethereum that found support in the moving average of 100 and now again in the resistance. So are we going to have a new hammer or not? Time will tell, and we will tell you here in FunOntheRide Crypto News. So if you find here some value, smash that like button. What about Dogecoin and other memes? Well, they are going up. It's going up 40%. I'm happy that from the point I bought it, we are going up right now. We'll see about that in the future. And what about Dogecoin? Well, now we had this controversy with Jack Dorsey from Twitter in the past, former CEO, now Nostr, and he said that Ethereum is a security. So this is from me to Jack Dorsey. And Elon Musk, that is being sued for market manipulation, now saying Doge for the win. So again, he is ironic and sarcastic because when he is being sued because of market manipulation, he keeps on mentioning Dogecoin no matter what. And also remember, Elon Musk said that the most ironic outcome is the one that probably will come true. Well, it's ironic that now we have tokens for Gary Gensler, memes from Gary Gensler and the SEC going up like crazy. If you want to know about them, go to dextools.io, link in the description, and there you can see in hot pairs things like Gensler, and we love Gensler, and we have that, you know, that bad word that I can say, Gensler, and those go up and down like crazy. We are pumping the market and dumping the market with the SEC and Gary Gensler. Very good news for Cardano and our pool, Cardano on the right. We have 2 blocks validated in the same epoch, 416. So thank you very much to those 409 riders that are helping us to validate those blocks, having them some rewards. If you have there some ADA, use Yoroi and bring it to Fanon, to Cardano on the right. Thank you very much. In the DeFi ecosystem, we are again between 40 and $50 billion. And it's crazy that after the announcement of the SEC, well, there's a spike on volume on decentralized exchanges. So maybe they are going to help us decentralize much more this ecosystem. Uniswap was one of the best ones. But anyway, the price of the tokens is not going crazy up for those DEXs. Good news for Optimism, successfully completing Bedrock hard fork, reducing deposit times and layer 1 fees. Interesting in the NFT world that Louis Vuitton is selling 41,000 NFTs to top customers. So again, fashion and NFTs come together. And telling you about some AI news, well, the Black Mirror creator is saying that ChatGPT tried to create a script for an episode and it was not a good one. So again, AI is okay, but we're just not there yet. And what about Apple and the glasses? We told you about that in the last video, but maybe this is bringing the metaverse back into focus. Well, anyway, the price of the tokens of that metaverse are not going up, and we have more and more controversy about Apple and the glasses now acquiring an interesting startup that will use these glasses, but not for entertainment, but with this reality that we mix with the real one. For example, a doctor can accomplish an operation with more stuff that he sees in front of him with the glasses. Stuff like that, maybe for police enforcement, etc., etc. So we'll see about that. Here you can see a pair of glasses broken into pieces and how they are built. Very interesting for them. And some jokes, like here, they say, well, this is Apple Vision Pro. And the thing is that it's so realistic that you have $3,500 less in your bank account. Also, how expensive those glasses are compared with these two for summer coming from Apple. Just $1,000 and you can swim there perfectly. Apple stock going down. So yeah, we had some FOMO. We hit that all-time high, but now going down and lower today in the pre-market. Remember that here you can watch it in TradingView. You have the link in the description. Binance now making fun of the SEC, and as they are being sued, they are creating the NFT marketplace, and they will support Bitcoin NFT collections. If you want to use Binance, you have the link in the description, and we have a special offer there. So you are up to $300 in commissions that you won't have to pay if you do some of these tasks, like registering with your Know Your Customer in 14 days once you click that link, or create a first deposit with $10 via crypto, via peer-to-peer fiat channels, or crypto deposits in those 14 days, and more if you want. So you can go up to $300 again, and we have that link in the description also with Bit2Me. Remember, I bought some Pepe with it, and we told you in last videos that you are up to $100 free for those commissions if you have a new account there. So link in the description, and also go to their social media and install the app, because they are giving away some rewards. So if you want to learn about them, click that link and install the app. Thank you very much. You help the channel, because those are partners right now in Fun on the Ride. What about Zoom now using also AI? Why? Well, they will summarize and they will help with those chats. This is not the first company doing this, but Zoom is so important. So we can see everybody joining the AI train. And right now you have some homework. We are boxing in the crypto sphere. So watch Rocky, and you will see there that you need to train, you need to learn, and you need to go all those 16, 14 assaults. It doesn't matter if this is Gary Gensler or FTX or whoever comes. We have to keep there with the eye of the tiger. There's no tomorrow. Fighting today in Fun on the Ride, where we also have fun and we tell you interesting stories. Like, for example, did you know that rainbows are cycles? Yes. The thing is, you see just one or the other side, but if you jump from a plane, you might be happy enough and lucky enough to watch the circle that rainbows are. So interesting. Yes, and now let's keep on learning. Let's grabbing some knowledge, like this cat is trying to, but some enemies are trying to stop him from doing so. Keep on learning. Maybe the market from time to time will punch us in the face like this boxer cat. It wasn't funny to watch, but eventually in the future we will succeed. Maybe we need to steal it like this cat. I want some Bitcoin. I don't have it. Well, I go there and take it myself. Don't do that. You are a robber cat. This is not good stuff. But in any case, if you hold some crypto, some Bitcoin, do like this cat. Hold it for your life. This is not financial advice, but so funny to watch this cat holding its Bitcoin. We have no more time today. If you want to learn Spanish, you have this very same video in our primary channel. If you want more in English, just wait for the next show. Crypto news, Fun on the Ride, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!